In this section, I'm going to be looking at a song, and the song is appropriate for this lesson 1, which is about friends and friendship, and it's called You're My Best Friend by Queen. And for some reason, I'm not so keen on Queen, but I've chosen 4 songs to go with course 1, all from Queen. Okay, so what I suggest you do is listen to the song. Just put it on YouTube, You're My Best Friend Queen. You could even print out the lyrics, which you would go to Google, You're My Best Friend Queen lyrics. And, well, first of all, I'm going to give you some questions. So perhaps it would be a good idea to write these questions down first. Then listen to the song, try and answer the questions, and then, of course, I will give you the answers to the questions and give you a little bit of background into the song. Okay, so question 1. What term of endearment does he use for his best friend? Okay, so a term of endearment is like babe or darling or whatever. You know, we have all sorts of little things that we use for our loved one. So what term of endearment does he use for his best friend? Question 2. How long has he been with his best friend? All right. Okay, question 3, pretty easy. It's just a yes or no answer. Are his feelings true? Are his feelings true? And question 4, again, a yes or no answer. Is he happy at home? Is he happy at home? Number 5, what does his best friend help him do? What does his best friend help him do? And number 6, what does he love? What does he love? And number 7, who is his best friend? Or who do you think is his best friend from listening to the song, from reading the lyrics? Okay, so hopefully you've listened to the song and answered the questions. So now I will give you the answers. Okay, so in verse 1, he sings, "Ooh, you make me live now, honey." Okay, so honey is quite a common term of endearment in English. And question 2. This is in verse 2. Ooh, you're the best friend that I ever had. I've been with you such a long time. So the answer would be a long time. Are his feelings true? Okay, again, the answer for this one is in verse 2. You're my sunshine, and I want you to know that my feelings are true. So obviously the answer for this one is yes. And number 4, is he happy at home? So this is in verse 3. Ooh, I've been wandering around, but I still come back to you in rain or shine. Or let me just say in rain or shine. Other expressions for this would be through thick and thin, or through good and bad, or the ups and downs. So of course in life there are good times and bad times, ups and downs, and as I said, we also say through thick and thin, and come rain or shine. You've stood by me, girl, you've supported me, I'm happy at home. You're my best friend. So obviously the answer to question 4 is yes. Alright, number 5. What does his best friend help him do? Okay, so this is going down to verse 4. Ooh, you make me live. Whenever this world is cruel to me, I got you to help me forgive. So the answer would be help me forgive or forgive. You don't really need to worry exactly about the getting the exact words, as long as you understand the question and the answer. That's fine. Okay, number 6, question 6. What does he love? Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, verse 5. And I love the things, I really love the things that you do. So again, the answer would be the things that he does. The things that, well, we don't know if it's a he or a she, maybe. Okay, so the things that the person does, or if you just put the things that you do, that's fine. This is not a test. We're just seeing if you can listen to the song and make sense of it, get the meaning. And question 7, who is his best friend, or who do you think is his best friend? Okay, so this is not in the song, so this is where you need to interpret the song a little bit. But going back to question 1, the term of endearment, he says honey. So it's probably his girlfriend or his wife or his lover. Yeah, that's kind of in a way a more difficult question, because often a best friend, a man would have a male best friend, a female would have a female best friend. But in this case, he's singing the song to his wife. And his wife, I've got a lot of paper here. His wife's name was Veronica Tetzlaff. I don't know if he's still married to her. And, well, actually, while I'm saying he, of course, Freddie Mercury sang this song. But actually this song was written by the bass player, John Deacon. And this is a really good thing about Queen, that the different members of Queen wrote different songs. It wasn't just Freddie Mercury, as you may think. And what else can I tell you? Yes, John Deacon enjoyed a rather quiet home life. So, of course, in many pop groups, in many bands, the members enjoy a wild life, or a party lifestyle. So they go out a lot, etc. But John Deacon was known, or is known, for having a quiet home life. This was the follow-up single to Bohemian Rhapsody. So a follow-up single means the one that comes after. And it would often mean after the first one, but I don't think Bohemian Rhapsody was Queen's first single. And it was also Queen's second song to have an accompanying promo video filmed for it. So back in those days, video was fairly new, and many bands, unless they were filmed performing it, they didn't actually make a video. But of course, it's so common these days. Alright, in this song, John Deacon plays a Wurlitzer electric piano in addition to his bass playing. But during live performances, the band used a grand piano, and it would be played by Freddie Mercury. In the music video, it was filmed in a huge ballroom surrounded by over 1,000 candles. Okay, this word huge keeps coming up. If you don't know it, it's a really useful word. It means very big, enormous, very large. Okay, and the last thing to tell you about this song, this is a quote from John Deacon. So a quote means something that he said. Well, Freddie didn't like the electric piano, so I took it home and I started to learn on the electric piano, and basically that's the song came out. You know, when I was learning to play piano. It was written on that instrument and it sounds best on that. You know, often on the instrument that you wrote the song on. So it sounds like he wasn't so good at playing the piano, but he kind of made this song up or wrote this song using the piano. And a quote from Freddie Mercury: "I refuse to play the damn thing." He's talking about this, the Wurlitzer electric piano. And the damn thing is like the bloody thing. He's saying he didn't like it. It's tiny and horrible, and I don't like them. Why play those things when you've got a lovely, superb, grand piano? No, I think basically what John is trying to say is it was the desired effect. Okay, the desired effect means maybe it's not the best thing, but it's the right thing for that situation. So yes, as I mentioned earlier, on the record, the recorded version, they're using an electric piano, but Freddie prefers a grand piano, which he played when he was doing live performances. Okay, so I think that is enough for this song. I hope you enjoy the song. Queen, I think, well, it's like in the mini lessons in July that I put on Facebook and YouTube. If you can get into one kind of a band or one subject, football or skiing or whatever, and if it's your passion, if it's something you enjoy, something you like, this will really help you improve your English, inspire you. So, well, I guess Queen is an extremely popular band. So I hope I've chosen a band that you like, and it's a very nice song. It's easy to learn the lyrics, and by learning the lyrics, it will just help you get into the rhythm of English. And of course, you can use the lyrics. If you've got a boyfriend or girlfriend, you could say or even sing the lyrics to your loved one. Okay, that's the end of this section, and I'll see you in the next section.